So the first chord is an A minor 7. First finger is on the first fret of the B string, second finger is on the second fret of the D string. Your second chord is an F chord, so your third finger is here on the third fret of the D. Your first finger stays in the same place on the first fret of the B, and your middle finger goes to the second fret of the G string, and it actually hammers on this. Then you take it off and put it back on. And then in the next measure you have a C chord, which is the third finger on the third fret of the A string, second finger on the second fret of the D string, first finger stays on that first fret again of the B string, and you're actually hammering on here to the second fret of the D string. And you just hang out on that C. So you got A minor 7, F, C. So let's look at the finger picking pattern. So you're going to take your thumb on that A minor 7. What's going to happen is you're going to go A, D, G and B, D. Thumb, thumb, 1 and 2, thumb. That's what that part sounds like. Then when you switch to the F chord, you're going to pluck the D, G, and B all together and hammer on. And then you have D and G twice, and then D and G again. So that's if we put all that together, moving on to the C chord, you're going to pluck the D and A and D strings together with your thumb and your index finger, and then hammer on to the D string. And then you're going to take your 1 and 2 and grab the G and B, thumb back to the D, and then thumb on the D, 1 and 2 on the G and B again, back to the thumb on the D. So that second part sounds like this. So if we put all that together, it sounds like this. If we do it twice in a row, we have the intro. When he gets to the pre-chorus, he keeps everything the same except for the first time he hits that C chord. I'll show you what I mean. I'm on the C chord now. C chord. And that's the pre-chorus. And then when you get to the chorus, you can kind of strum the way that you want to. I watched a few of his live things, and it seems like he's just strumming straight down. And he varies it from chorus to chorus. You could do like this. So what I'm doing with my right hand is I'm hitting the bass strings softly, and then on that backbeat kind of thing, on that the 2 and 4 of the measure, I'm hitting the higher strings. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing you can do is just play one strum and then a down up on the second half or the second beat, like this. I'm just using my thumb to strum with. Or you could just strum straight through all of those chords, like which he seems to also like to use for a more dramatic effect when he gets to a bigger chorus, like the second chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, ready, 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 go.